Hi everyone, welcome back to the react.js tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about forms. Let's see how to add a form in React. So switch to the project and inside the project just open post component. Okay, and here inside the post component just add form tag. So just write here form and inside the form add some input field. So just write here input type is equal to text and name, let's say name is name. All right, create another input field. So just write here input type is equal to email and name email. All right, one more input field, input type is equal to phone and name is equal to phone. All right, now just add a submit button. So just write here button and type is equal to submit. All right, and inside this button just type here a text submit. All right, now add the onChange event to the input field. So just write here onChange is equal to curly bracket, also an email field. So just write here onChange is equal to this, and also here onChange is equal to curly bracket. All right, now create handle change function. So here just create a function name handle change is equal to as the parameter e, and inside this method just write here this dot set state, and inside the set state just write here curly bracket, and here inside the big bracket just write here e dot target dot name colon e dot target dot value. All right, now add this method handle change method to the input field. So just write here this dot handle change, and also here this dot handle change, this dot handle change. All right, now add here some properties. So just write here name, then email, let's say email blank, and phone, let's say phone is blank. All right, now go to the form and here just add the onSubmit event. So just write here onSubmit, and now create the handle submit function. So here just write here handle submit and pass the parameter e arrow function. Then inside this method just write here e dot prevent default, and then just display the name, email and phone number on the console. So just write here console dot log, and inside this just write here, first print the name. So just write here name, comma, this dot state dot name. Alright. Now for the email, so just write here console.log, and here email, and this dot state dot email. Alright. Now for the phone number, so just write here console.log and phone, comma, this dot state dot phone. Alright. Now add this handle submit function to the onSubmit event. So just write here this dot onSubmit, handle submit. So just write here handle submit. Alright. Now save the post component and let's check. So go to the browser and go to the URL local host 3000. Form is not showing. Form onSubmit. This everything looking good. So okay, it's showing. Now it's showing. So just write here name and add here the br tag and alright. Now add here the email and here phone number. So just write here phone. Alright. Now save the file and switch to the browser. Alright. You can see here name, email and phone number. This is the form. Now make visible the console. So right click, inspect element and just click on console tab. Alright, this is the console tab. Now just input the name. So just write here, let's say name is Jennifer, email jennifer@gmail.com, and let's say password is 12345678890. Alright, now just click on submit and form submitted, and you can see here name Jennifer, email jennifer@gmail.com, and phone number is this. Alright, so in this way you can use form in react.js. So that's all about forms. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.